What's up, guys? Back here with another YouTube video, and well, a very late YouTube video. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in a long time. Okay, wait, where am I? Oh, I'm down here. Hello. Yeah, I'm tiny again because yes. I may be asking, what happened to my avatar? I see a little badge. Does that remind you of something? Yeah, I became the. Timmons, I forgot the name of it. The it's just well gun stuff. Okay. So I've been playing this a lot. And yes, I made it all purple. I know that's not how you spell purple, I just wanted to spell it. This is how you spell purple. Let me just, I, that's how you spell purple. I just like spelling like this. Anyway, yeah, so as a title, which you read, this may be, wait, I forgot what we're doing. See this, yes. Okay, remember. We're stealing people in a truck, as you can tell. Oh, that's this. Anyway, boing, boing, we're gonna go steal some people. I built this a while ago, like not too long ago, also not long ago. Damn it, down. Anyway, out this way. I wanna run away. This isn't. Did they make the back route? I gotta make a video for that. Anyway, yeah, you might see a video now soon, which is gonna be. Okay, so anyone who watches the video, subscribe. You don't have to, except it'll be really helping me because I've been on 28 subscribers for a long time now. Okay? I want to get to 30. I'm so close. Just help us reach it. Well, help me. Oh, someone says help. Blood got trapped in the back rooms. Aha, green team. Attack. No. Red team. Attack. God damn it. Did I read? Okay, god damn it. I need to sub hop. I can't pause it, so. Yes. Oh, yeah, look at it. And then let's just retry that again. Better. I wanna run away. Okay, chat. Stick tuned to the end of the video because I will show you this One Piece thing. Now, if you're not a One Piece fan, I will show you something else. So I'm gonna show two things. Wait, I'm thinking. Oh, don't ask that. Don't ask about. I'm probably gonna show you. I'm thinking, chat. Okay, I didn't even think this out. Okay, don't boo me in the chat. Don't boo me in the comments, please. Oh yeah, the plane. Now, if you don't watch the video and you watch the next video, you're gonna see his plane again. Anyway, although Theon, aka gay person, does not know about this, like doesn't know I'm recording, doesn't know about anything. If you're asking where he went, he's dead. No, I'm kidding. He's good. He's good. Well, to be honest, I don't even know. He just disappeared. I tried to call him, but he wasn't responding, so it's just off. Hello. Damn, Blood just wants to actually come. Now he actually kind of. That's how much he hates his life. Okay, I guess you. There you go inside now. Da na 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 na. Do do da da da. Do do na na. Sorry, dude. Kinda. Damn. Help, I guess. Um. Okay, there you go. The problem is I'm stuck. Uh. Uh. Oh no, wait, I have cancer. Anyway, actually, that was a joke. Okay, it has a bit too harsh, actually. Anyway, it's still there. You see it over there, chat? It's over there. But I don't even know what to do. Okay, let's try that again, okay? Shall we? Okay, just disappeared for him now. Okay, this time okay. We're going after white team. Because yes. If we want to ask what HP pistons are for, to be honest, I forgot. Oh, I remember. So, the pistons, this is originally just meant to be a normal box, which the wheels just come out of. And it's meant to be like dangerous mode, like brand, like you know how animals make themselves bigger to try to look more scary. That's what I tried to do. Kind of like this mode. I can travel more easily in water, so kind of more of a boat now. Just give me time. Hello, do you want to come? Do you want to play a game? Eh, you want to play a game? I'm guessing you do. I'm guessing you're mine. There's no way he can actually fly. Damn, he's mine. Bro, what if I run him over? I can't run him over. Bro, don't respawn. Yes. Damn, he's like a propeller now. No, he's like a kite. He's my kite now. He's my flying kite. Oh wait, fell off. No, come back. Come back, my flying kite. I need you. I'm in desperate for you. No! My flying kite, it disappeared randomly, oh no. Give me time. Just give me time. How much are we recording for? Damn, 7 minutes. You know, I want this to be a short vid because most of my vids are long, aren't they? Especially the Dead Whales one. That is sick. I need to make one of those. Make that a twin tower? Your Majesty, there's been a second plane crash. Attack! Where? Just give me time. You won't beat me. I got. Nee, 1 sec. I got big wheels. It's actually bad. You'll never beat me. I'm literally pushing you. You are my puppet, and I'm the puppeteer. Yeah. Attack! Oh, damn, he has a boost, but he will not win against the puppeteer. Just give me. Oh, that actually knows winning, but it's not a waste. It's a fight to the death, kid. Yeah, he's on my team. Now I can. No, he left. He went. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna ask what it is. Attack! There's only a trash builder over there. Someone. Oh, for a second I thought that I actually got into it. Just give me time. Damn. Oh, blood, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ben chilling. Ben is chilling. Ah! Bro, you're glitching out everywhere. Where is he going? I was going to our team. Wait, I have an idea. Why don't I just flipping shoot him? Just give me time. God damn it, I got a whole bus now. Damn, how do the doors open though? Yeah! Wait. He's meant to spawn. Oh, can I out? Oh, hello. You're kind of trash builder, you know that. Hello. You wanna get on? I don't think so. Anyway. Anyone else? Let's see. The Drib. 626. Okay, no, this is the Drib. Which team is he on again? Black. No, red. No, it's the wrong guy. Black. I'm gonna go attack Black. Rah, rah, rah. How's that guy? Rah. But, aw. Damn, that rhymed perfectly. Anyway, the moment you've all been waiting for, people. The One Piece one. I built this a while ago, so it's kind of bad, kind of good. If you've seen it, it might be in tears now. Well, depends which part of the One Piece you want. I mean One Piece, not the One Piece. Well, you don't. What's that doing though? Oh yeah, I just added fusses to the back. It was flight mode. I made flight mode. That just gave me an idea. So everyone, spoilers. I might be spoiling, but so if you've made past the Sky Island arc, you know that the way to get to the Sky Island is by flying up in the sky. So that gives me an idea. If I fly up, would I reach Sky Island? No, I didn't actually build the Sky Island up there. No, I didn't do all that. But actually, no, there's no buts for this. Hopefully, it doesn't just fall down. Anyway. Oh, hello. Goodbye. Actually, I kind of want to get in the bus. Oh, it's you! Let me get in the bus. God damn it. Anyway, to be honest, I forgot all the buttons. Boing, 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 boing. I know what the seat is. Yeah, I put the seats on the thing. Please don't fall, please don't fall. No, no! We're going Sky Island! We're going Sky Island, chat. Goodbye, normal island. We're going to Sky Island! We're like a rugby ball. Damn, where'd it go? Where'd the map go? Oh, I guess we lost the map, chat. I can't tell if we're still flying or if we're falling now. I'm just gonna go. Yeah, maybe so I can fly as well. What do I just jump on? Jump on. Damn. Ah! You didn't save me. Okay, what? Go. My whole game is, not game, it's Roblox itself. The map, it cannot handle how far I've gone. Oh, look, it's still up there. It's up there. This is how far I've gone. Now you cannot see it. Well, I can. Oh wait, I can still see. Oh, it's like flickering. Yeah, it's gone now. Oh well. Should I just respawn? Should I keep on going? I'm gonna reset. Oh no, I died. Damn, I went far. I think I left some. What was how far we went. So what was he doing again? What's it gonna show you? Oh yeah, the plane. You know, I'll make a video of this. So if okay, chat. If you don't like spoilers, if you don't okay, there. If you don't like spoilers, do not look, and I did not look. I mean, if you want to see the next video and what it's gonna be about stuff, then you carry on watching, okay? But I suggest you to keep on watching because remember that old Dead Airlines plane. That is. Oh my God, the bus is here. Hello, hello. Can I? Oh no, it's not a bus. Oh, I feel this guy is like Russian or at least Ukrainian. Oh, I can't get in. I can't get in. I can't get in. Can't get in. Ooh, how does he do that? How does he make his doors flip on and off? Cause people in chat, if you know how to do it, please tell me. Oh yeah, so the new and better, new and improved Dead Airlines plane. I will give you a full tour of it now. Basically, boy. So Dead Airlines simple. I took an idea from the last plane and a VIP. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, all these seats have TVs. And I don't know why I put a TV here. I'm assuming there's no seat. Who's gonna be watching it? It's someone like who's meant to. Oh yeah. By the way, don't ask where the toilet is. I haven't made it yet. So pilot stuff. And here are the crew seats, and that's pretty much it. It looks big on the outside, but it's small. Anyway, so this we have to just completely delete because yes. Anyway, it's okay. Good. Wee. Chicken. Yeah, chicken popcorn. No, vegetarian, but no, can I have the vegetarian burger as well? Can I get a Pepsi as well? No, but I have Pepsi at Costco. Anyway, anything else? Actually not. Chicken popcorn would be good. Can you give me a large one for that though? Okay, don't know if I can come in from here. I don't think so. Aha, I think I can. This is very dangerous though. This has very bad climate. Ah! Anyway, yeah, so second time, if you're watching this video, please subscribe. Help me reach it. Help me reach the 30. Like help me reach 30 subscribers, chat. Please. Basically, boy. Because the thing is, if you okay, here, I'll make a deal, chat. If you subscribe, like so, okay, every 3 subscribers, like, okay, I think my chair got deleted. Anyway, so, back to Robloxian news. So if you are watching this video, I will shout out. I need. Whoa. Oh, what? Wait, what? Anyway, so last phase, I need to reach enough amount of subscribers to shout people out. Damn, he really has Rush. Anyway, so if you wanna subscribe, and bye bye. I don't know what to do now. Goodbye.